Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. If you are new and if you're not, thanks for returning. Today's hair is from UNice Hair. They sent some goodies along with the wig. First, we have some lashes, we have a nail wrap, we have a stocking wig cap, we have a scarf to lay those baby hairs down, and we have a whole bunch of headbands that they sent. They're super cute. I love them. So here is the wig straight out the packaging. The curl pattern is what stood out to me. Oh my gosh, I love this curl pattern. It really reminds me of a water wave. Hey beauties, it's Daisy here. I'm back with another wig. This time it's something a little different. We have a headband wig and I've been seeing them all over YouTube. I know you guys have too, so we are gonna try it on my channel. All these companies been hitting me up to try it, and at first I'm like, I don't know. But it actually looks kind of cute and it's a perfect wig, you know, if you just want to pop on something and go. I have my wig cap on and I push my edges back a little bit more. I use some edge grow right here. This is like a regrowth, repair, strengthener. I like to keep stuff like that in my hair, especially because I wear a lot of wigs. And this is the wig right here. It really doesn't have any smell, so that was something I was excited about, because sometimes when you get wigs like this, they have a smell, at least a little smell, and I usually always wash my wig, especially right now is a good time because of the corona stuff. But for the sake of this wig, you can just pop it on and go, so we are just gonna, install it. So it has this little adjustable strap right here. I guess this is to cover the front part of your wig, and then we have the little combs right here. It's just, let's see, there's one in the back and there's one towards the front. Okay, so let's see how this works. This is gonna be my first time trying one of these. I was gonna like wash it and everything, get the curl pattern together, but so far the curl pattern looks really good, so I don't think I need to do anything. And this comb, we're gonna have to push it a little bit further back, so I'm gonna have to pull this back. Excuse my old braids that I need to take out. That's exactly why I'm doing this video right about now, because it's about time to get rid of this stuff. So if I can keep this freaking hair up, I'm not trying to mess with the curl pattern, and it's a lot of volume, so I'm liking this. I'm gonna have to use 2 of these clips. Okay, well this was super easy. All we have to do is work on this front. This is cute. I think I'm feeling this. I was scared it wasn't really gonna look natural with my hair, but it just looks like I pushed my edges back. So I'll fix these curls a little bit more later. Let's work on this hairline. So I'm gonna use that edge grow again. This is really good because it's like helps keep the hair in place, and it's still like a little pomade, not just gel. So bam, y'all, my little edges is still there, y'all. That makes me happy because all I do is wear wigs and do the reviews for you guys. So I am really like trying to take care of my edges because I want to keep them. I do like my natural hair. So the company sent all these cute headbands. I'm trying to think like what kind of makeup style I'm gonna do. I like this one. This is cute with my little jean fit. Oh, this is cute. I already had a scarf like this, which is crazy that they sent this to me. I don't know. I wish you guys were here to help me pick them out. This one's cute too. I just think about my makeup looks too when I wear like headbands. This would be cute with a nice pop of red. So this is the headband that's in style that another company sent me. And I'm like, let's see what this is looking like. Now this is really cute. I would have to push my hair a little bit back more, but with my earrings, I'm not changing those. So this ain't gonna work. Then I'm just gonna take some water. It's like a little bit left from my other wig, but I'm just gonna spray the top and a little bit like where the hair is just not in place.
Busting by the river, I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste.
So the most important part about wearing a curly wig is you have to have the ends right. I cannot stand when everything is just in place and the ends are just looking rough. So you want to drench the ends as much as possible. I probably should have put a different shirt on. That's why I always like have these crazy t-shirts on first and not get all cute, because things like this. And now I'm just going to do my makeup, let it air dry. Probably, hopefully my shirt will dry, or I'm gonna have to change. But so far, so good with this wig. Yeah, so I'll be right back. So here is the final look. I got my face did, and this hair is everything. Like, look at this hairline, courtesy of your girl, okay? Born and raised. So I just did a few little swoops around here and pushed back this little clip here and put the headband on. Looks really natural. It really looks like my own hair. I don't know the exact length of this hair, but I'll have it in the description box for you. And I know you guys want to see the back, so let me turn around. So this is how the curls are looking, super full, and they are dry. So this hair is completely dry after about an hour to 2 hours, I would say. I spent an hour in my makeup, hour doing this. Okay, we'll say about an hour and a half to 2 hours. And I really love the curl pattern. What helped define these curls is what I did off camera was add some mousse. You always want to add mousse to get that texture and those curls to pop, as you can see right here. I don't have any problem with shedding or tangling, and this hair, the quality is way better than I ever expected. So I'm in love with it. I had a little bit of shedding when I did brush the hair, but nothing too much, just like normal curly shedding, if that makes sense for you. Like there are some wigs out there that don't shed at all, but this one does shed a little bit, but it's nothing you have to worry about, trust me. And it doesn't tangle. The hair is super soft, even with the curling mousse. So I love it. You guys will love it too if you want to purchase it, and it's super affordable. Why not? This is definitely going to be my everyday wig, especially because I wear my braids all the time because I'm always doing reviews. So I don't have to look like a boy. I can just throw this wig on and go and still be cute, you know? So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I also want to thank UNice Hair for sending me this hair. You know, they do not do wrong. I love UNice, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next video. Peace.